Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to configure a DNS server on Windows Server 2019. Before we get started, this is what you'll require: a Windows Server 2019 machine, whether it be physical or virtual, with admin privileges, a static IP address assigned to the server, and if you're setting this up in a lab, you can run this on a small VM, but in production you make sure the DNS server is in a stable network segment. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's open up our server manager. Let's click on the local server and look for your network interface. So our network interface is here. It says IPv4 address assigned by DHCP. So let's change that. Let's go to properties, IPv4, and use the following IP address. So let's give it an IP address of 192.168.1.100. Our subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, and default gateway will be my router. And let's change the preferred DNS server to the local DNS server. So this server can resolve the names locally. That will be 127.0.0.1. Go ahead, press OK. Let's close this and give the system a reboot. So our server is back online. Let's head back to the server manager. Click on manage, add roles and features. Click on next, and let's select the role based or feature based installation. Click on next. This is the server. So let's go ahead and select this server. Let's go ahead and find the DNS server. So here we have it. So let's click on DNS server. Let's add this feature. Proceed to the next option. So we don't need anything from here. Let's go ahead and click on next. Next, let's confirm. Let's restart the destination server automatically if required. Yes. And let's go ahead and install. So our DNS server tools have been successfully installed. Let's go ahead and close this. So back in our server manager, you can see a new option here called DNS. You can go ahead and check the DNS. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our DNS manager. So in our DNS manager, we can see our host that we have currently configured our DNS role. So let's right click and configure a DNS server. Click on next. Let's create a forward lookup zone. Next, this server maintains the zone. Yes. Next, let's give our zone a name. It would be homelab.com. Next. Yes, so it's homelab.com.dns. Next. Do not allow dynamic updates. So we are going to add each record manually. So click on next. No, this server should not forward queries. Next. And finish. Let's go ahead and create a new reverse lookup zone. So next. So this will be our primary zone. IPv4 reverse lookup. Next. Let's give it the IP address of our subnet. That would be 192.168.1. Next. Create a new file. Yes. Next. Do not allow dynamic updates. That will be correct. So we are going to create each record manually. Next. Finish. So let's go ahead and add a record in our forward lookup zone. So let's select a new host. Let's give it a name that would be MUMDC node 1. So that would be MUMDC node 1.homelab.com. Give it an IP address of 192.168.1.110. So it will create a reverse lookup record as well. Let's click add host. So successfully been added. So if you go ahead and look over here, you can see the PTR record has been added. So let's go ahead and add another record, another PTR record that will point to this DNS server that we have created. So the IP address would be 100, which we set the network adapter to. The host name would be current host name dot homelab.com. Hit OK, and let's go ahead and launch NSLookup and just check. So as you can see, our default server is now pointing to current DNS server that we have configured. And let's go ahead and check our new record that we just created. So that would be mumdc node1.homelab.com, and there you go. It resolved the IP address to the host name. Let's go ahead and test the IP address as well. So as you can see, the IP address is now resolved to the fully qualified domain name. That's mumdc node1.homelab.com. And that's it, guys. You have a fully functional DNS server on Windows Server 2019. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you all for watching.